sir.
This call.
As I have thought that I need to discuss with some of the applications of trigonometry, because most of the things, most of the classes we have spent on trigonometry. So we'll try to discuss one or two classes related to applications of trigonometry. So I'm concentrating on the different problems, how to use this trigonometry in your day-to-day life. Only two concepts are going to remember. One is the angle of elevation, and another one is the angle of depression. What is mean by an angle of elevation? A person is standing on the ground and he is observing an object which is moving in a air. Best example, a bird is flying in the air. A bird is flying in air. A person is standing on the ground and he is observing the bird. That angle made by the person with respect to the bird with the ground is called the angle of elevation. And you know that the angle is denoted by theta, and this angle is called the angle of elevation, guys. And this is an angle of elevation, and I'm going to take this is theta 1, and here a person who is standing on the ground and he is observing an object which is beneath the person's eyes, that is below the person. Best example, just we are observing the sea levels of ground level, sea levels of when we are standing up upon the sea. So this is, I'm going to denote this with theta 2. It is called as an angle of depression. That is a deep observation, and here elevation, that is above the eye, below the eye. So what is the theta 1? Theta 1 is an angle of elevation and theta 2 is angle of depression. So based upon the given data, let us see here, the angle of elevation is upward, an angle from the horizontal. So this is the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line where we people are standing. Horizontal line. And the sight, that means the eye of the sight from the object to the given point. Whereas the angle of depression is your eye goes downward from the horizontal to the given point, as shown in the figure. That is what he has observed. Only 2 points are going to remember, and based upon these two concepts, we people are going to discuss few of the questions. This is one of the most important application in trigonometry. The same thing even I have discussed here. The angle of elevation, O is an object, a person who is standing. An angle of elevation, an angle of depression. That even definitions are also given to you guys. A is an object and B is also an object. If you are observing from the point O to the point A, angle of elevation can be made. If you are observing from the point O to the point B, the angle of depression should be made. And what is OX? OX is the horizontal level. That is a ground, what we can call that. Hope you can understand these 2 points, guys. Just 2 points that I have discussed, angle of elevation and angle of depression. Only 2 points. So better to go for the definition. Angle of elevation and angle of depression. And by taking an example, by taking the figure. The figure is important for us. Is any doubt regarding to this concept, guys? Shall I go for the problems? Let's have the examples related to this concept. But before going to that, Ritvik, what is the definition of tangent function? Tan theta based upon your right angle triangle. Is tan theta. Tan theta is what? In terms of a right angle triangle. Suppose we have the right angle triangle. Okay, so what is mean by this tan theta? If it is theta and this is A, and if I'm taking this is B and it is C.
Perpendicular by base, sir.
Perpendicular by base. It is adjacent side, or we can also call it, as you said, it is base. And this is the perpendicular side, or we can also call it as opposite side. And this is called hypotenuse. Nana, based upon the given data, we can use any one of the six trigonometric ratios. Suppose we have perpendicular and then base, then we can use tan theta for finding an angle. When theta is given, adjacent is also given. He is asking AB, that is perpendicular, we can make use of tan theta. Suppose hypotenuse is asking based upon the adjacent, we can make use of cos. Suppose he is asking perpendicular based upon the hypotenuse, we can make use of sine. It depends upon the given problem. Okay, so first read the given question carefully and you can proceed which trigonometric ratio are going to use. Yeah, even another definition also by means of this horizontal level, that is ground level, we can call it as the base or ground. Yes, we'll go for the problems, guys. It is a simple topic, but takes an important role in all competitive examinations, not only in your board examinations of your 10th standard, but the same concept I'm going to study in 11th standard also. Same topic we have in 11th standard. Find the height of the tower if the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 and the horizontal distance from the eye to the tower is 100 meters.
Sir, this is part of integration or a new topic, sir?
You have joined now itself or previously?
No, sir. I listened to all the angle of
Yeah,
elevation integration.
what is the topic name? What is our chapter name?
I did not see that.
That is
Application
what?
of trigonometry, sir.
Applications of trigonometry. Clear?
Okay,
Right.
sir. I thought that
Yeah.
was on. I thought that was only a part of integration, sir.
No, 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 no. So where tan theta, sin theta, all trigonometric ratios I have discussed and recalled. Yeah, let us see, guys. Before going to that, first let us have a rough figure, approximate figure for the given data. You can take an approximate figure for the given data. He's asking the height of the tower is there, and you people are observing the top of the tower, which makes an angle 60 degrees with the horizontal line, but which makes an angle, sorry, which is at a distance of 100 meters. Okay, so can I take the tower? Let us take the tower. So this is, I'm taking the tower. Okay, and we people are standing here. So just we are standing here, and the distance between these two will be given as how much? That is 100 meters. This distance is given to you, 100 meters. And we are standing here, and we people are observing. We people are observing the top of the tower. This is the top of the tower. Can we take this as A, and this is B, and this point is C, right? The angle of elevation is given to you as 60 degrees. Let us join them so that the right angle triangle can be formed. Yes, we people have joined, and this angle is given. It is 60 degrees. It is 60. Yes, Rohan, which trigonometric ratio can we use out of the six? And what he's asking, can you tell me? What he's asking?
Sir, he's asking the height of the tower means AB, sir.
Right, very good. I'm taking AB is equal to tower, and BC is equal to distance distance between tower and observer and a person observer.
So should we take cos theta, sir?
That's just I'll tell you. Observer. This is BC. Clearly, he has given this as 100 meters, and theta is given to you because we are standing and we are observing the top of the tower. Top. So it is theta. Theta is what? Angle of elevation or depression?
Angle of
Elevation.
elevation, sir.
Very good. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Elevation. Right. So what he is asking? He is asking AB. I'm taking that AB means let it be considered as H. That is the height of the tower. What is that? Height of the tower. Nana, you have to observe all the six trigonometric ratios. When base is given, angle is given, he is asking opposite side. Which ratio are going to use?
Tan theta, sir.
Very good. It is either tan theta or cot theta, but preferably tan theta I can use. Can I go for tan theta? So by
How, sir?
Pythagoras theorem, what Rohan? You forgot everything related to trigonometry.
No, sir.
Hmm. Out of the
Adjacent side by
three,
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse not given. Opposite upon adjacent. This is opposite side. He is asking,
Yes, sir.
and this is adjacent side already given. Angle is also given. Either you can use tan theta or cot theta. From the figure, from the figure, Rohan, by making use of opposite and adjacent, which trigonometric ratio can be
Tan,
defined?
sir.
Yeah, so
Yes,
can we
sir.
use tan theta is equal to none opposite side upon adjacent side. Am I correct? No, sir, I want to use cot theta. Yes, you can use cot theta. You will get the same answer. This is equal to, is it AB upon BC or not? Yes, tan theta, theta value will be given as 60 degrees. This is equal to, opposite I am going to take H and divided by adjacent, that is 100. And this will be given as root 3 is equal to H divided by 100. Is asking height of the tower. H is equal to 100 root 3 meters is the required answer. Hope it is clear. Yes, please. Any doubt regarding to this question? Hope this question is
Sir,
clear.
I didn't understand the question for first, sir. Distance from I to the tower is 100 meters.
Yeah, where you are standing, just I have given the figure where you are standing at C. C is the point that where you people have stand and you are observing. It is a site of an eye. Here that you at C, C is a point where that you people have stand and you are observing the top of the tower. And point B is what? Base of the tower. The distance between a person and the base of the tower is 100 meters. This is clearly given to you. Distance from I to the tower is 100 meters.
Only the AB
What is
line
the
segment
reason?
is the tower, sir.
That's what I'm telling. Tower is what? AB height of the tower. So
Okay,
you
sir.
have to understand this definition and figure, Nana. You have to understand this definition. A person is standing here and observing the sight of an eye. Eye will take a position of a person. Okay. Your eye takes the position of your person, position of that particular person. I'm not taking the foot of your person. I'm not taking the position of the person. Where I am observing, from eye we are observing. So this eye point will be C. Your C point is what? A sight of an eye.
I, sir.
Yes. Hope the first question is clear. We have number of questions. You don't worry, guys. I'll try to discuss one by one. Today and tomorrow, I'll concentrate only on this concept because same topic I'm going to discuss even in 10th standard, 11th, 12th standard also. It is an important concept. I'll go for the next problem and try to answer this question. Hope if you are perfect in the question, then you can able to give the answer.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir, if the distance between the person and the building is same, then the height will
Yes.
be
Yes.
changed.
Yes. No, no, I'll discuss all types of problems. You don't worry. Okay. This question is clear. No need. First question
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'll try to discuss. I'll try to discuss
Jagannatha,
all types of problems.
a friend.
Read the question carefully. The questions will be lengthy in this topic, guys. So first read the question carefully and try to make a note of what he has given. Girish, try to keep in mute. So you have to observe the figure. A circus artist is climbing a 20 meters long rope, which is tightly stretched. I mean, no gaps will be there. You can tied with a rope is tied. Yeah, Harshavardhan has given. Yeah, stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30. See the figure. Yeah, Harshavardhan, I got your answer. Nana, what is asking? Yes, I got it. I got it. You got the correct answer, Harshavardhan. Yes, sir. If the angle of Samir also got the same answer. Manogna. Which trigonometric ratio are going to use? Rohit also got the answer. Rohan, which trigonometric ratio?
Sir,
Sarthak, yes,
science, sir.
very good.
Sir, sin theta.
And
Science.
why? Yes. Why you are selecting sine? Why you are not taking tan?
Sir, we need to find the height of the pole, sir, which is
Hmm.
uh, which is the opposite to theta, sir. So it's perpendicular,
Hmm.
and they gave hypotenuse. So opposite by
Right.
hypotenuse is a sine, sir. We can
Right.
also take cosecant.
Right. Very good. Rope is a rope that is 20 meters long. This is clearly given to you. And I'm taking AB is equal to height of the pole. Height of the pole. Height of pole. This is what we require. And we are taking this as some H meters. Theta is given to you, that is 30 degrees. We can make use of sine theta from figure. I'm not taking always tan. Based upon the given situation, given problem, yes, we can use the trigonometric ratio. Sine 30 degrees is equal. Sine 30 means opposite side or perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So opposite to theta means it is AB, clearly what we require, and it is denoted by H, and it is AC. Sine 30 degrees is 1 divided by 2 is equal to AB value is H and AC value is 20. 2 10 times clearly 20 divided by 2 is equal to H, which implies that H is equal to 10 meters. Hope the second question is also clear. Question number 3, guys, but you have to understand this question. It's not so easy. You're not asking directly. You should take an approximate figure, then only you can understand the given question. For the third question, let's see the given question. Yeah, first read the question carefully. This is a logical question, Anna. You can take an approximate figure, then only you can understand. What he has given, a tree is having some height, breaks due to the storm, and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with it. Hope the question is clear, right? So due to the storm, your tree is breaks into two parts, not just it is bended, and the top of the tree will be reaches to the ground. This is an approximate figure for the given question. Hope the figure is clear, so that we can understand. This dotted part, AP, what is AP here? The dotted part, AP, will be the tree which skirts and reaches the ground, right? And clearly what I can say, AP is equal to AB or not? What is AP? AP is equal to AB. Am I correct, Nana? AP is equal to AB. Because the part which is broken will be the same thing, will be reaches to the ground at the point B. See here, the broken part will be reaches to the ground. So you have to imagine when the tree is broken and fall on the ground, reaches to the point B, and which makes an angle 30 degrees. Let us read the question carefully. The top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. Height of the tree means what? Srinidhi.
Sir, 8 root 3.
8 root 3. Okay. Navaneet, I'll confirm with others also.
The height of the tree is 8 by root 3, sir.
You got 8 by root 3. Okay.
Sir, same, sir.
8 by root 3 or 8 root 3, Navaneet? We got two answers.
Sir, 8 root 3.
You got 8 root 3. Okay, Nana. Girish, what is the height of the tree means what I am going to take? Is it OA, AP or OP? Girish.
Sir. OA, sir.
OA is the height of the tree. What about AP? Yes, Nana. OP is equal to height of the tree This is what we require. It is OA plus AP. Nana, but AP is equal to what? Is it AB or not? So I can take OA plus AB. Hope this point is clear to you guys.
Yes,
Nana,
sir.
equation
A
number
is
2,
equals to AB.
equation. Yeah, this takes an important role because I cannot get AP value, but AP is same part will be bended and reaches to the ground at the point B. So AP is equal to AB. The broken part will be reaches to the ground. So which trigonometric ratios are going to use, Srinidhi? Srinidhi? I require OA and AB. What we require? OA is the requirement. AB is also the requirement. So to get OA, can we use tan theta?
Yes, sir. Tan 30.
Tan theta I can use, that is OA upon OB. Tan 30 degrees is equal to OA value we can keep as it is divided by OB value is 8. It is 1 divided by root 3 into 8 is equal to OA. So we can take it as 8 divided by root 3, which implies that OA is equal to 8 divided by root 3. This is the first part. Now, what is the second part? To find out AB, which trigonometric ratio I am going to use? Yes. And which trigonometric ratio I am going to use when adjacent side is given, but he is asking hypotenuse.
Pythagoras theorem.
Which trigonometric ratio I am going to use?
Sir, cos theta.
Cos theta. Very good. We can make use of cos theta is equal to adjacent side, that is OB, upon hypotenuse, that is AB. OB value is that is cos 30 degrees is equal to OB is 8 divided by AB, that is we can keep as it is. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 is equal to 8 divided by AB. We require AB, so AB we can keep on left hand side. 8 divided by root 3 by 2. This 2 will comes in numerator, 16 divided by root 3. This is what? It is AB value. AB means indirectly what? It is
OP,
AP. Very good. Equation number 4. Now we are going to find OP is equal to OA plus AP. As I said, it is OA plus AB. OA value Nana 8 divided by root 3 and OB value 16 divided by root 3. Root 3 as an LCM 24 divided by root 3. But always try to write this denominator square root. We must be eliminated, so we can multiply and divide by root 3. It should be 24 root 3 divided by 3. 3 8 times cancel. Your answer is 8 root 3. Hope you can understand this question. It is not so easy, guys. You have to imagine your question, your mind, and try to take an approximate figure. Then only you can understand.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understand again. How did we multiply 224 by root 3 into again root 3 by root 3, sir?
Multiplying and dividing, because square root cannot be exist in denominator. The square root value should not be exist in denominator. See that the square root exists only in numerator.
To make the root to come numerator, we should multiply the same
Yes.
denominator, sir.
Yes, same thing with the numerator and denominator, so that root 3 will become just 3 in denominator.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Sir?
Yes, please. Yes, you can. Navneet. We'll go for the next question. This is for you guys. You can able to give the answer even for this question. The question is very simple.
Hypotenuse theorem.
Your voice is not clear, Navneet. I didn't hear your voice. Your voice is cracking, Navneet. Once you have to check your network and try to rejoin the class. Yes, the next problem, guys. Let us see what is asking. Angle of elevation of top of the tower from the ground, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. Then find the height of the tower. Similar question just now we have completed. Similar question we have completed just now. The questions are so lengthy, but the answer is very simple, guys. If once you can form the approximate figure. Figure important, figure diagram is important. Is it similar question, same as the first problem? Just try to write your answer in terms of the square root of 3. Which trigonometric ratio are going to use here? Okay, Sarthak. Girish, which ratio you are going to use? Vagdevi.
Sir, can I?
Sir,
Yes, Navneet.
Sir, it is tan.
You can make use of tan theta from the figure. Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. That is tan 30 degrees will be given to you. Opposite side is that is AB. Adjacent side is AC. 1 divided by root 3. AB value is H and AC value is 30. Is asking just H value. You will get 30 divided by root 3 is equal to H. As I said, square root value should not be exist in denominator. You can multiply and divide, that is called it as rationalizing. Square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 is equal to 30 root 3 divided by root 3 whole square means it is 3, 1 time, 10 times. 10 root 3 is the required answer. Similar question, same as the first problem. See how we people are using trigonometry in our day-to-day life.
Yes, sir. Very useful.
Let's see the next example. You can able to understand that we are interested of flying of the kite, the month of January or February. Let us see the question is related to your kite. Kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point on the ground. The inclination of a string with the ground is 60. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Yes, Harshavardhan, I got it. I got your point. So first to take an approximate figure, guys. Yeah, correct. Yes, Harshavardhan. Sarthak also. Nana, similar question. Only the point is different. The requirement is different. When the trigonometric ratio is different, right? Here figure is important. The approximate figure is important. Let us see the figure. The kite is flying in an eye, and it is tied with a rope. O is an observer. The string is attached to the kite, temporarily tied to the point on the ground. The inclination is given as 60. Which ratio are going to use? Because he is asking what? Find the length of the string. Length of the string means this OB. What is OB? OB is equal to length of the string. Length of string. This is what he is asking. H. And AB, that is height of the kite from the level ground, is AB is given to you. AB is equal to height of kite. Height of kite from the ground. From ground. This is clearly given to you, 60. Nana, which trigonometric ratio we are going to use? Which ratio are going to use? Can we use tan theta? Srinidhi. Can we use cos theta, secant theta? Nana, OB he is asking. Let's make use of sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin theta I am using. Sin 60 is equal to opposite side is 60 divided by hypotenuse will be take it as h. Root 3 divided by 2 is equal to 60 divided by h. So h you can take on left hand side, 60 divided by root 3 by 2. The 2 will comes in numerator. H is equal to 120 divided by root 3 is equal to 120. As I said, you can multiply and divide with root 3. Now, sometimes he will give root 3 value, approximate value of root 3, that is 3.14. Something he will be given in bracket. Whenever he has given root 3 value, you can make use of that particular value. Is equal to 120 root 3 divided by how much? Root 3 into root 3, that is 3. It should be 40 root 3 meters is the required answer. This is the rope length is what? 40 root 3. Clear, guys? Hope this concept is clear. Few of the points that we people have discussed and related problems also. We'll try to continue tomorrow, same topic, that is applications of trigonometry, and this chapter is heights and distance. That's it for today. Good night to all of you. We'll continue tomorrow with the same topic.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.